Hello guys, welcome back. In the previous video we learned how to migrate or create database table using GORM. Now in this video we will learn how to search records from our database table, and also we will learn how to update uh, database records using GORM. So let us start. So let us first start our PHP MyAdmin, which is on my gem. Okay, I have a spelling mistake here. Okay, so my gem server is started, and now if I refresh this page, I'm going to go to my PHP MyAdmin page. So we can see that we have one table named users we have created in the previous videos. So this table have columns ID and name. So now let us go to the this one, GORM documents. Let us go to this page known as query. Here we can see some of the examples which help us for searching. In the uh, previous video we have already thought about retrieving object with primary keys, and in this video we will retrieve all data. Oh sorry, not all data, it is also done. And now in this video we will where is it, scan. We will learn how to search. Somewhere here is, I could not find it. Let us check it again. Yes, here it is, string condition. Here we are going to apply this one for searching records using GORM from our database table. So we can see that we have a name, ID and name. So we are going to search Tommy. Tommy or Mark using the name. So let us start our code. Let us come to our Visual Code and go to our controllers users.go. Here we are going to create new controllers for search. For search in the func, let us name it search and C and fiber, fiber ctx and arrow. Now we are going to get the string. String, we can just put in an s, because we are going to have some params, and that's it. The name of the param will be, I think, you can put it as search. And now the same we need to do here as well. So per users models. This is the same that we have done in previous, because this users model we are going to get from here. Where is this? From this database, or not database, models and users. And then now we have to do the same, database db connect. Just we need to change here. I think what we need to change is that yes, db where we need to find this one. We need to have this one. Let's copy and paste it here. Now where name, like, yes, do I have a name column? Let us see in the database. Yes, I have a name column here. So I'm going to search using search the names. So I'm going to put it in. So why is here error? Because spelling is not matching. Here I have user and here user. So let us copy this and let us paste it here. Now it's fine. Now we have to change the value of here. So how to change it? Just okay, double quotes plus and then s. From where we get this s is here. Okay? This s is going to be here. Now just I think it is done. Now we need to return it in a JSON format, so we're going to use this one. And here also a little bit error because we don't have s here, so let us put it s. Now it's done. Okay, it is done here in the controller part. Now we need to put this function in the main. Okay, now we need to create a route here and so copy and paste. Let us change the page name as source, and here what did we put? We put source here, so copy and here paste, and the name of the functions is source. Yeah, I think it is done. Now run the go run. Okay, now our server Go server is running. So this is our home page, and now what is our route URL? The search slash and whatever you are trying to search. So how we are going to do this? Here slash search, and what we want to search, mark. Okay, we have a mark here. Okay, we have a mark because we have only one mark, so we are getting only one single mark. Okay, in the previous video we have built this migrate, right? So if you have not seen it, go back to my playlist and you can get this video. And we have also created this one, this is user model. Okay, now let us learn how to update. Now search we have already learned. Okay, now if we search elon here, just put it elon. Okay, we get the result here. Now what we are going to do is, now we are going to learn how to update. Okay, so for that just come to the update phase here, under the CRUD interface, just click on the update, and now we can see some of the example using which we can update. Okay, so we have a single column update here, multiple columns update. So let us first learn how to do single columns update. So here is a little bit example. So let us go back to our codes. Okay, and write new functions here on inside the controller. Function will be update. Okay, update. Okay, and then C fiber dot ctx dot error. And now let us get the value here. Value we can get the parents value. Sorry. Okay, Control Z. Okay, I just value, and here c dot parents, and it will be value. And now we need to do the same thing here, whatever we did in the previous. Okay, we're going to get the user model, and then we need to do this one. Okay, we are going to get the single element. Okay, first users. Okay, this user is this should be user, an ID. Also here we should have some ID where we want to update. ID of the records, which we want to change. So this ID will come here, ID, and now we need to put our this one, this function. Okay, this is database.db connect dot, and this is models.users, model.users.update. And because we are going to update single columns here, we have to use this one. So name, do we have a name column? Which let us see. Yes, we have a name column. So name will be this one, and what will be the value of the name is value. Okay, this value we are going to get from the parameters. Okay, and this is done. Now what we need to do, just output the JSON data. Okay, now this is done. This is the whole code for updating single columns from the records of our database. Okay, so now let us go to our main.go and build a new routes, and this should be updated. And here we should have ID first and then slash, and what is next we have, let us go and see, we have value. Okay, we have value parameters, so let us write value, and this one what we have is the update. Okay, save, and now Control C, and again go run dot. Okay, it's running. So what is the URL? Update, ID, and then value. So let us go. So which ID we want to update? Let us update the ID 11. Let us update this elon to test. Okay, elon to test. Okay, so what is our URL? Update. Okay, slash, what is the ID? Let's go for 11. Okay, here 11 to like anything like test, TES, the test name. Let us try it. Okay, yeah, here we got. Here we are getting this one because we put a space here, but if we don't put any space like testing, yeah, we'll learn how to filter the this one in the next video, but here just only learn this one. Okay, now here if we come to database, we see the records is changed in our database table. So now this is a single column update, and now we will also learn how to do multi columns update. Okay, it's almost similar. Let us build a new function here. Func, it will be updates. We will have a s at the end, and c into fiber dot ctx error, and we need to do the same thing. Yeah, whatever is done, we need to have the parameters like ID, value, and we need another value. There will be the value. Okay, we need the s. Okay, c dot params age. Okay, and we need to have this again. This is going to be the similar as previous one. And now here let us go back to the documentation and see what the multi columns is, which one we need to have this one. Okay, this one. So what is the difference between the previous and now one is there is only update, and this is updates, means we have addition s here at the end of the words. So just copy this one, and now database.db connect dot, yeah, update. So user is user here. Okay, matching this user is okay. So I think this is not so much. We can remove this, you know. Instead of this one, let us use this one. Okay, mapping strings, map strings interface. This one will be much better than previous. So here let us paste this one. So now what we need, we have a name. We don't have a active, and we don't have a s here. So if we come to our models, that is inside models users.go, so we need to add another s here. It will be int, save it, and we need to add here new columns in our table, and that will be s, and it will be int. Let us put it to 25, null, save it, and yeah, now we have a new columns name s, and we have also defined it inside our user model, and now we can put this here. Okay, so this value will be here. Okay, and this int will be here as okay, and save. Yeah, it's done. Now output the JSON data. Okay, that's it. The we are now going to we are now ready to put here new what to say, new routes. So let us just change this update to updates id value, and also we have something new parameters, that is s. So slash colon h. Okay, set. Okay, and here also we need to change because we have little bit s at the end. Okay, save it. Now it's ready to update multiple columns. Control C and control go run. Okay, now we have restart our Go server as well. Now which one we want to change? Let us change this 9 id 9 Tommy null. Okay, instead of this we will change something. So route is, we have s here, and then id is 9, and then name will be what Narendra, and his s will be 13. Enter it. Okay, we have it here, 9 Narendra 13. If we come to our database and refresh it, we get this. So this is it, guys. Now we learn how to do search, update single columns, and update multiple columns using GORM in Golang. That's it, guys, and thank you for watching.